In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Thrustmaster T300 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to easily set up your Thrustmaster T300. You will be able to use it on a PlayStation 4 or a PlayStation 5. It is going to work flawlessly for any games that have native compatibility, and all that you have to do to set it up is first turn on your console, so make sure that your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is powered on. Now, plug it into any of the available USB ports, so connect the USB cable originating from the steering wheel into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Usually, the console will automatically detect and recognize it as a compatible controller, so just give it time. You can test the wheel by navigating through the menus available on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Press the respective button to open the game and see if it works when you go over to the settings. Usually, if it was properly detected, it is going to be available for you to customize in the game input settings. Now, if it isn't working, then I'm gonna go over some steps that you can take to troubleshoot this. First of all, I recommend downloading the latest version of the firmware and the drivers available for the Thrustmaster T300. Sadly, you will need to have access to a PC. So, if you need to download the drivers, go over to their website, look for the T300, and you will be able to find the respective product. So they have 5 distinct models, just choose the one that you are using. When you choose a specific model, you will be redirected to its page and you can scroll down to download the drivers and the latest firmware available. So just download it from here and you will be able to update. Just run the executable file and let the process finish. Then you can unplug it from your PC, plug it into the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, check to see if the connection mode is set to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So if there is a toggle, make sure that you switch it accordingly. Next, you can try disconnecting any other controllers that you might have connected to your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, so any DualShock or DualSense controllers, and pressing the PlayStation button on your wheel after it is properly connected to the console. Some people have trouble when they have other controllers connected, so by taking them out, you will be able to use your wheel exclusively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Thrustmaster T300 to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.